Little baby bump.
Let me tell you how to play the game. Let me start by explaining the actions for Sonic. Somersault. Use B button to somersault. It can destroy crates and defeat enemies. Spin dash. Use B button to charge up and release to travel very fast. Light dash. Use B button to quickly move along ring paths. Hey guys, do you think maybe we made B button do too many things? I mean, isn't it a bit too easy to get the wrong move on accident? Okay, if you're sure. Next action, bounce. It's very useful for gaining height. To perform the bounce, press B button while in the air. But be careful, if you try to light dash and press too early, you may bounce on accident and fall to your doom. See what I mean? The controller has 4 face buttons. Why don't we just use one of those? We do? For what? Okay, use Y button to open the action window and switch actions. Perform the selected action by pressing B button. Use X button to do exactly the same thing as B button. Guys, come on! The answer was right in front of you! Putting everything on one button doesn't make it easier if that button does 12 things! Anyway, let me tell you about the 2P versus mode. There are very special attacks used only in the versus mode. Once you have the special attack, use it by pressing B button! Oh my god, wow, amazing tutorial! Press B button!